You will agree with me that since of course we have been having different versions of Kinemaster, from version 1 to version 2, version 3, version 4, version now we have version 5.0.9 and all of that, and just I think we are actually going to 6 point something now. All right, but there is always one thing that is not really changing, or that has not changed, okay, all through these versions, and that is the text animation. Right, so we're just stuck in this slide in, slide out, clockwise spin, anti-clockwise spin, fade in, fade out. Lots of these static stuffs that are not that really natural. Okay, that is kind of natural feel of motion that we really want. All right, so all we're doing right now is to actually create them. All right, so I'm currently on the the Pixel Lab application right now. So all we're going to be doing in Pixel Lab is to take the text that we want to. You can write anything that you want to write. Right, this is the text that I want to animate. So this is text animation. So I'm going to be using different texts, but the first one is text animation. So what I'm going to be doing right here is to actually change the color of the background to either blue, right, or green. So you can choose to take either green or blue background. For this particular video, I'm using blue background. All right, so there's no reason for that. I'm just using a blue background. Though there are special reasons why you choose to either use blue or green or any other background if you want to use the chroma key. All right, so there's a course on motion graphics design with Kinemaster. Okay, the link is going to be in the description. All right, it's a well-dated course, so you can actually take it anytime. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to actually save this, all right, and also save the empty blue background. All right, I saved the one with the text first, and I saved the one with the empty. I actually made the text invisible and saved the background alone again. All right, so let's go over to Kinemaster and continue. Now, once you are in Kinemaster, just choose the same aspect ratio as the one you used in the Pixel Lab application. So make sure they are of the same aspect ratio. Don't choose 1:1 aspect ratio in Pixel Lab and choose 16:9 aspect ratio on Kinemaster. That it's going to be a bad animation. All right, so now you are going to bring this in the order of the empty blue background first, plus the text and the blue background. All right, of course, remember we saved it in the order of the text and the blue background first, and the empty blue background. And so we are going to bring it in as empty blue background, which is the first media there, and the text and the blue background. The last one is the blue background alone. Right, so how this works is that we are going to be using the transition effect, okay, to create this animation. All right, transition effect. All right, so if you don't have this particular transition effect that I'm using right now, you can actually get it on the store. All right, so you will see the store icon right somewhere here. Right, so you can actually click on it and get the transition. Just note the name. All right, just note the name and search for it under the Kinemaster store. All right, so you get to see different animations and transition effects. So you can actually get more. Okay, apart from the ones that I'm using right now, you can actually get more. All right, so we are actually on the text animation 1 right now. So this is text animation 1. So just do your adjustments and see, and the duration, okay, of this animation should just fit what you want to use it for. Right, so that just depends on you. So I'm not using any specification right now because I'm just going to show you, okay, how to just create this text animation. Quite alright, if you check this particular animation I just created right now, you won't see it in the text animation effects, which is presetted in the Kinemaster application. All you just see is slide in, slide out, scale up, scale down, and fade in, fade out. All this, non-natural kind of motion graphics. All right, so the next is I'm going to replace this. I've created different text, okay, layers. All right, so I'm going to bring in the second text. Right, so you can do the same. All right, you can do the same. We are just going to be repeating just the same process. All right, the same process, but changing the transition effects. All right, just changing the transition effects. Okay, and that is going to be the second text animation. All right, the second text animation. All right, so we are currently on the last animation right now. This is a bonus. All right, it is supposed to be 4 text animations, but this is actually 4 right now. It is supposed to be 3, but it is actually 4 right now, so that's just a bonus. So once you're through with this animation, now there is a video. All right, link in the description. All right, so we just click on the link to show you how I use this particular text animation that we've created in a real, animation, like applying it now to your videos or layering it on your videos and all of that. So the link in the description. So just click on it to take you to the video. It's actually on my Telegram channel. All right, so you get to see other stuff and the other resources that I use, from the photos, pictures, and on that Telegram channel I actually post modded apps, right? Modded apps, free stock photos, free stock videos, and lots and lots of goodies and all right. So of course we've come to the end of this video. All right, so I will see you in the next video. So don't forget to click on the link in this description to take you to the next or to the second video where I actually use this text animation.